Good morning. Well, I'm sitting here while he's unloading, and yeah, we're sitting alongside a highway, yeah, interstate, whatever. Oh, literally just sitting here. People are, yeah. Good morning. Procedure for the day is you get up, you go to where you got to unload, get unloaded, and then you go to another place if you got to put load, and then you go load back up, drive to where you need to go, and in the process, you got to figure out where you're going to go to eat or take showers, do laundry, all kinds of stuff, which we are doing. So, what's on the brain today? My brain. Who knows? Not even me. I don't even know if you can hear me or not with all the traffic going by. They brought a bobcat to unload. It has the claws that picks up tree branches and stuff. Very cool. They're getting it unloaded. I mean, I didn't even think we were going to get unloaded yet. After this little short video, I'm gonna add a clip that we had to deal with this morning with the rush hour traffic. And so, yeah, that's gonna be interesting because I thought we was gonna hit a couple of cars. Video in just going down the road, and it doesn't really see anything, but rush hour, apparently if you hang on long enough, you will see something. And that's what we're gonna see today. So just hang on. As soon as I can get to it, I'm gonna add it to it. If we're at a place for loading, I stay in the truck for safety reasons, because all these places that we have to unload, minus this place, okay? I would say it's private property, okay? Which means you should be wearing protective gear or hard steel-toed boots, reflective jackets or whatnot, which I do have one. I have a reflective like vest deal, but like I don't have hard hat, and I don't have steel-toed boots. If all I'm gonna do is sit around in the truck all day, I have to stay in the truck for safety reasons. I don't want to get ran over by something, but I think because our nose, we're just off of the highway, okay? I mean, it's a little scary. Look at this. Wow. I mean, see. Well, that's that way. I don't know how it's... Anyway, we're just off the highway, so...
No.
Oh, she just wants you to honk.
No, that's a cocksucker.